Hi everyone, today we're talking about our most popular houseplants here at Clay. The world of houseplants is just massive, and if you're new to it, it can seem a little bit daunting, but it really isn't. And at Clay, we've curated a collection of beautiful plants that you're guaranteed to love. Here are our top picks from the houseplant world. So to kick off, let's talk about this. The Monstera Deliciosa Swiss cheese plant. This is just a brilliant houseplant and one of my all-time faves. To bring in that kind of tropical look into your house, it's really easy to grow and it is that big statement in your house. Next up, it's the Parlor Palm. This vintage gem, popular in the 1920s, is really elegant. It's got a lovely upright form and a perfect conservatory plant, but it's also really tough and really easy to look after. Then we've got Philodendron Scan, beautiful, fast-growing, trailing, ideal for hanging. It looks great on bookshelves, but it's also really good to pull together collections of multiple houseplants. Next up, we have this. This is the rubber tree. Talk about retro 70s. This is well and truly back in fashion, but I think it's here to stay. These big, sturdy, glossy leaves look really, really striking. One must-have plant that I really think you shouldn't overlook is this Irish native. It's an ivy. If you want that earthy, native look, again, because it's trailing, it pulls together collections of houseplants really nicely, and it looks great on a shelf or on bookshelves just for that flowing look. Another great choice if you want a slightly smaller plant is the money plant. Super popular at the moment on Instagram and really unique looking. Great fun to propagate because it's super easy and really different looking. These almost perfectly round leaves are really suspended on really springy little stems. It's just brilliant. Next up, we've got this Calathea Ornata. Really bold looking plant, but intricate at the same time. You can see these really simple leaves, glossy green, but they've got a stripe variegation in them that rather than being white or lime green, instead it's actually a pale pink, so it's really, really standout. This slightly unusual plant is an Alocasia Poly. It's got such a unique look. Very few leaves. The leaves are long, and you can see why this is commonly called the elephant ear. Glossy green, quite waxy, and the rib that runs down the centre of the leaf is really bright pale green. Brilliant little plant. Really nice as just a single standout plant in a perfect pot. These are our top houseplants, but let us know in the comments below what your favourite or favourites are, and make sure to check out the website and start building up your own collection of your favourite houseplants. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not already a subscriber here, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when we post our next video.